Hello, my name is An, and this video is about my final project for Multimedia 127 with Professor Mahmoud. As you see, this is my web page. I used WordPress to create it, and here's the header of the web page, and it has a sliding picture carousel. So my page also has. To get to my page, here's the link. I'll provide a link for everyone to get to it. My page is called Table Tennis Crash Course, and it's basically a web page that teaches you how to play table tennis. It has 5 main links: home, equipment, coaching, a contact me page, and a blog. Let's go to the home page real quick. So this is the home page. Here's my introduction. Here's a section on the latest news regarding table tennis. This is the International Table Tennis Federation webpage. So you click here, takes you to the ITTF page, and this is the latest stuff, tournaments, latest news regarding table tennis if you're interested. Let's go back real quick. This is a link that takes you to an article about the health benefits of table tennis, and here's also another link that takes you to the USA Table Tennis Olympic team. We'll navigate to my equipment page. So inside this page, I used an accordion to list things that are related to table tennis, gear and equipment. I have advice and tips on what to buy, what not to buy. I also have a section on paddles for beginners, and more for paddles for intermediate and advanced players. A robot net page where you could click on here, and this is a machine I bought to improve my game at home since no one's there to play with me. So I'll click on this link real quick. So yeah, you could buy this at Paddle Palace and set it up at your home and drill and do training exercises. There's also a section here on other resources that any table tennis player can go to for buying equipment, reviewing things that people bought. There's a section here or a link here that takes you to a YouTube video on how to create your own blade to build your own paddle, I guess. It's pretty simple, straightforward. And next page is my coaching page. So here I use the tab feature in WordPress to list out like rules in table tennis, what you need to get started. In each of these little tabs, there's video links showing you how to execute like certain table tennis strokes. Like under here you have basic strokes, and there's like forehand drive, backhand drive. So whatever I think that you should learn, or the strokes that I think you should learn, there's an associated video that goes with it, so you could see how to execute it. Below here are other resources that I think that it's very important. When I was starting to learn table tennis on my own, I think Ping Skills was a dedicated YouTube channel that teaches beginners how to play, and I used it greatly. I went to this website almost every day to watch some of their videos. So I think it's a great resource. There's other resources here that you could take a look when you go to my webpage. Here's my contact me if you have any questions. It's a basic form where you just enter your name, email, and a message, and you press submit. I'll read your message and I'll reply back to you, I guess. The last thing I have here is a blog. So I posted some blogs here that I thought they were pretty cool, and you can check it out. So here's a video that I found of a guy playing table tennis every day for a year. So yeah, you can see the video here. Let me see. I think one of the best features on my webpage is this accessibility. So if I click here, there's like this tool. There's this tool that comes out, and it lets you adjust like font size of the web page. There's also a keyboard navigation. So if I click this, and I press tab, see, things get highlighted, links get highlighted for people that have disabilities. Let's see what else. There's some other stuff here. There's like this button that underlines and highlight links for you. So yeah, you could check it out by going to my webpage. These are all plugins inside of WordPress that you could add into your webpage. And let me see. I also this webpage is fully responsive. See, let's go to a page. Yeah, you can see it collapse based on the resolution of the browser. So I'll give you an example. Let's go to my coaching, and if you look, you go down here, and if I was to minimize this smaller, see, you could see it like totally full responsive. I think the theme I used to create this web page in WordPress was called One Page. So if you want to use this theme, you could go ahead right ahead. I think it's very easy to use. So yeah, WordPress is very powerful. You just need to get used to it. There's a big learning curve, but once you figure out that learning curve, and once everything starts clicking, you'll notice that you'll be developing the website very fast, and it's very simple. And you don't need to know any coding experience, which is great. Makes it easier. So yeah, I'll send a link of my webpage to everybody, and I think I am done. This is the first revision of my webpage, and I'm ready to test it. So yeah, I guess that's it for me. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.